Guys, we are back for day 3 of assembling my next competition Nerf blaster. I have all my sub-assemblies put together. As always, printers and filament used can be found at the link in my bio. Go check all of that stuff out. These are all the different parts, as well as the bars and the barrel and my spring. Here's some cool SLS parts that I'm using from RoboMan. Here is the back of the stock. Here's the receiver. Here is the pump and the catch assembly. Here is my plunger, as well as the turnaround, and then my shroud. This is me putting everything together, dropping the ram in, dropping the plunger tube and turnaround in. Next is body bars. Then putting on the spacer. Receiver next. Now I'm dropping in my plunger, as well as the spring. Next is my catch assembly and pump. Now here's my barrel. I'm using the Robo barrel system, also from RoboMan, as well as my scar, which is the Kuryaka Delrin scar. Now my shroud is going on. Next up is the takedown pins. This is the original orange barrel tip from the file set, but I really liked an extended one so I could C-clamp it, so this is just a prototype gray print. I'm going to reprint in orange. Here's heat sets in the shroud, so that's how this barrel tip screws in. Here's some nitro shots. I'm loading them up in a Talon, and then Talon in the blaster, and we're going to try it out. It's working pretty good.
You're outside.
Oh, dang. Recording, shooting the mannequin.